Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. From this video lecture session, we are going to start a new semester, semester number 4. In your semester number 4, there are the one subject is considered as the organizational behavior. This subject is conducted by me, that Pooja Lalwani, and your subject code is 3141909. So in this video lecture session, I discuss about the teaching scheme of this subject and what are the syllabus of this subject and how you prepare about it, right? So let's start it. First of all, in the first slide you see that the teaching scheme and the examination scheme of this subject. In this subject, according to your semester 4, this subject is considering the 3 credit, and your theory marks are considered, not considering any practical marks. For the theory marks, you have to given a one examination, that the GTU examination, and semester examination is conducted by the GTU, and you have to given a 70 marks paper, right? And for the practical, you have to not consider any vivas, and you have not consider any practicals, laboratories and labs for this subject. And in this subject, you have to consider one internal marks, that are the 30 marks for the internal marks. This 30 mark are considering from your mid examinations, and I have given you a one assignment. Okay, I will give you a one assignment, so you have to submit it, and according to this mid examination and assignment basis, I have given you a 30 marks as an internal mark. So 70 plus 30, so 100 marks is considered for this our OB subject. This short form is OB, right? So I hope you understand about it. Then after, syllabus. So in this OB subject, there are mainly 5 units are considering. So first unit is focus and purpose. Second unit is individual behavior. From the 5 units, is the highest, we can say lengthy, is the unit number 2, because unit number 2 is considering the another topics, that the attitude, perceptions, motivation, then after personalities and values, then after learning theories, misbehaviors and emotions. So this topic is this unit is quite lengthy from the another units. Then after, third unit is the group behavior. Fourth unit is leadership and power. Fifth unit is dynamic of organizational behavior. So we should learn about it one by one. Okay. So thank you so much. This video lecture is about your teaching scheme of this OB subject and the syllabus of this OB subject. I have given you this syllabus PDF at our Google Classroom, and this PPT is also provided at Google Classroom, so you can easily find out it. And if you find any query regarding any topic, then you can contact me anytime. Okay, you can contact me personally. Okay, thank you so much.